Hi guys, Joe at Jeff Lynch with a product spotlight. This is the Café Dual Fuel 30-inch range. It has a few key features that I really enjoy on this range, such as it has 6 burners. Also, you can use them separately, or you can join very easily. There's 2 burners to do a griddle, and you can use it as for pancakes, or you could use it for fajitas, whatever you'd like. Down below, this does have a warming drawer, so you can warm your food. Fingerprint resistant stainless steel for those kiddos, ensuring an easy clean. The oven, massive cavity. This does have your porcelain coated rack, so you do not have to take these out when you're self-cleaning. You have food probe cooking for the most accurate form of baking. And then you have your true convection system, so you have that third heating element in the back of that fan. This has been your product spotlight. Again, this is the 30-inch GE Café Dual Fuel range.